weeks ago, Democracy Hub protesters were arrested when they were protesting against illegal mining. 53 of them were arrested and remanded for 2 weeks, which is against the law. However, the Accra High Court have granted Ama Governor and 8 others a bail of 70,000 Ghana cedis each. In spite of their bail, we want the citizens to share their opinion if the charges against them was in line with their actions during the protest.
Sending my view on the Democracy Hub protest. I think every Ghanaian has the right to protest. And the fact that you have the right to protest doesn't give you the opportunity to also go beyond your boundaries. I respect it when somebody feels that certain things are not being done right and that he wants to use demonstration, a peaceful demonstration, to correct or to draw the attention of the leaders. I respect that. But then for them to go beyond their boundaries by burning fire and playing football on the major road, that one is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. So I think what the police did, they did the right thing. They used the law. And this country is being governed by the rule of law. Nobody is above the law, and nobody is supposed to take the law into his own hands. They know that they cannot go out there to protest on their own. That is why they went to the police for papers, for documentation, to give them the permission to go and protest. So why is it that if you know all these things, why did you comply with the rules and regulations governing the protest? So as for that one, they didn't try. They didn't try. And secondly, people are also talking against the arrest. I think that everybody is not above the law. As I earlier said, when somebody go contrary to the law, the person has to be arrested and be put to court for judgment. So if the police did that, I don't think they did the wrong thing. To set an example for we the youth that are coming, to know that the fact that you have your right to protest doesn't mean that you can go beyond your boundaries.
Concerning this demonstration, I think all of us are crying against this illegal mining. But what I would say is, if you are being given instruction of where to do them to demonstrate or where to do it, and you did it above the law, you will be held responsible. And definitely, you don't have any right to destroy the government property or the nation's property. So what I would say is that, despite the fact that the judges have given their rules, I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. I second them, because two wrongs cannot make one right. Because definitely we are fighting against one, you cannot destroy another one. Because the galamsey, all of us are fighting against it. We know it's not good, it won't help the nation. Though if they will do galamsey, there should be a proper way, because there are good companies that are managing it well. Because we know Ashanti Gold and Co, they are doing it well with not having any problem with our water body and then our resources. But currently, they should sit down and look at those who have the equipment and can mine well, that it will not affect our resources. I think that will do. But from me, I would say the demonstrators, we all can join and demonstrate, but we should do it in a proper way. We should come with our placards and show to the whole world that we are not satisfied with what is going on. But for you to destroy the nation's property, I think is wrong. You don't need to hold the government responsible. We, the youths, can talk to the government that they should do something about the galamsey. But if you demonstrate more than what is expected, I don't think the government should be held responsible.
The abana, the abana, and the papa, because press for and the boy, your home man, press what my woo will be an was now. One I'm saying, because attraction of the Baba Big County. So we are buying bone on my into Adomian, I am wasam. Demonstration on FFI, I shall be a young. Or more found quote, wish you on them. Nanya a year, and the year no we are not cobush one would say a true according to almost And now we are also may mum also obey the most and Kayame and Kabum for life. Woman, I am what?
Oh, we don't have problem about the protest, but where they went to protest, that's the wrong thing. Yeah, because 37 hospital, for instance, there's no galamsey distant food over there. You get it? They block people from entering the hospital, so a lot of people may die because of what they did. So they just go contrary the law. Yes, for them to protest, they have their freedom, they have their right to do the protesting. But where they went to protest is what I'm against. Must take its course. The government or the president himself is an able body. You get it? And the law is there. So if you go contrary, you can be arrested for that. And even right now, I just heard that they've been granted bail. For what? What are they coming to do? To chop and come and protest again or what? I don't have problem because there is no galamsey food in Accra here. I heard some even went to EC office. The electoral commissioner, is she a galamsey this thing, the guy or whatever they call it. There's no galamsey food at EC. So they have something behind. And those behind pushing them, I don't know how much they pay them. You get it? I don't know how much they pay them. Because if you've been giving like maybe 100,000 Ghana cedis for this, you just disgrace yourself. If they should have allowed the soldiers to come and protect their own hospital.
These are the views shared by some residents at Opera Square, Accra. Lady Dumas, Adwa News.